So one such trade was today was the fade on the memory stocks SNDK. The memory names, the memory used for AI have run up over 500%, 600, 700%. You know, SNDK, WDC, Micron. There's a big list of these stocks. They've been running. Great trade for the swing traders because it is a hard sector. So I have been covering the memory stocks on my Twitter for a while now. We've been talking about the memory, all these hard drive stocks and memory stocks, which have been a crazy run. Right, like I talked about in October, they have been a huge winners for the AI mania. All the names are already 300-400%. Of course, even from that October, they were continuously running because so much hype, and of course the real demand, real backlog. You can, if you follow my X, you know that I have talked about it. Yesterday, and of course STX reported earnings, Seagate, and then SNDK reported earnings. That was a climax, you call it, sell the news, because of course it's amazing earning, but you have to understand how much we have run for so long. And this morning SNDK was gapping up huge from $546 to $660, almost $120 gap. Extended to the upside, bullish buys if 640 holds, but if 640 fails, it will be a profit taking. Look at that, 640, 630, support 675. We were ready to long it if it broke out of the pre-market highs, but if you wait on the first candle, you see it's a big rejection candle. That's what I told the traders. Broke 650, no go. As soon as I see that it's trying to break 640, I told the traders grab 640. Your stops are at 662. Of course, you're gonna short closer to the 662 level, and your target is the full gap fill. This is one of my favorite setups. So what is a gap? Gap is the price difference between yesterday's close and today's open. Now, if you're an options trader, let's talk about the options. If you're a shares trader, that's fine. You short 100 shares, you're risking $1,500, $2,000, and you can also use Fibonacci. And by the time you are done, you're making 10 grand. You know, even more than that, because the sell-off is huge. 100 shares, every $10, you're making $1,000 and $100 sell-off. Now let's talk about the options, right? Options, IV was little heavy. You could wait the first 10-15 minutes and then get the puts. So let's talk about the 620 puts. 600 lotos, 100% risk. That's what I told the traders to buy. If you're buying a closer option, then you have to watch because they're expensive. You have to watch. Even they can go to zero. It started from 260. You see, initially it was not doing much. But as soon as we saw this dump, and that went from $3 all the way to $12. So your $300 became $12. Then it went sideways for a while because the price was kind of bouncing from that 600 area. So let's take a look here. So you see that price, it's the Fibonacci. Always draw a Fibonacci. It was bouncing here. It was bouncing from 600 psychological level. We actually covered our shorts when it was bouncing from 600. But as soon as I see that 600 is failing, I told the traders to re-short it.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.